Woohoo! What's up, people? So tonight I've slept here in Östersund, and as you can see, it is much more snow here, or it's snowing right now. And the weather forecast is saying there will be like snow chaos in Sweden. Snow chaos, I would say. Okay, so right now I'm here in Borgafjäll, and I've actually paid for camping the first time ever in my life. Yeah, my car doesn't really want to start because I believe my starter battery is pretty old or bad, and it can't deliver enough amps to the starter engine. And I have a diesel, so when it's really cold, they are really hard to crank. And I only have an electric engine heater, and it doesn't work at all. So I bought some, some like big candles. I don't know what you call this in English, but marschaller. So I placed one of those under the oil pan, and I lift it up so it's touching the oil pan with the flame, and it gets hot enough, I believe, for the engine to be able to crank over. Anyway, here you can see the binding, and here you can see what happened. As you can see, the part that holds the ski stopper just broke off. I was doing a rail, like the biggest one I've ever tried before, and the ski just came off. I didn't realize it until a couple of seconds later. And then I just saw the pieces everywhere. So that sucks. But I now have like the, I don't know what it's called, like tech bindings. And I wanted them since the first trip to Borgafjäll, because I know they are lighter. I mean, this must weigh like, I don't know, 800 grams each. So that's like 1600 grams of just wasteful weight. And I believe the performance of the tech bindings is even better. I'm gonna show them. So here they are. So I had them mounted today. So right now it's -5 degrees Celsius in the car, and it is -7 outside. So my body heat has only risen the inside temperature like 2 degrees Celsius, so that's not really good, but yeah. The first thing I do always when I wake up is to start the diesel heater. It takes like maybe, I don't know, 15 minutes for it to get warm, like 20 degrees warmer inside, maybe. So then I just take a nap, because I love snoozing also, so it's just, I just like it. Yeah, see you in 15 minutes. I just woke up, I took a real long, I slept in real long, but the lifts aren't open and it's windy as hell. I can feel my whole car shaking in the wind. So I'm guessing the lifts aren't open here in Borgafjäll. So, well, right now I'm gonna go and take a shower, and then I'm gonna eat some breakfast, and then I will do some editing, I believe, because, well, I won't be able to ski today, or well, it won't be nice to ski today at least. So I haven't been outside yet, so let's see how much snow there is. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, this is perfect actually. This was like this tall yesterday. Okay, let's go and take a shower. Okay, it doesn't look so bad from inside here. There's the car, and I mean, can you see it? It's like almost as tall as me. This, like, I don't know, the wind has just blown the snow, and yeah, you can see. So hopefully tomorrow or the day after tomorrow there will be less wind, and I can go up to see some new fresh powder. Okay, so I just took a shower and I made breakfast or lunch, call it what you want. Yeah, so things takes a lot more time in the van, but it doesn't matter because I have more time. So making breakfast took maybe 30 minutes, and that is with cooking coffee and everything. So I think it's pretty decent. As I said before, I won't even bother going out today because, well, I can't ski. There's too much snow in there and it's windy as hell.
This creepy message is interrupted by me telling you how freaking
I'm not sure if you can hear it. Okay, yeah, anyways, the car like shakes and everything. So I would not want to be in the mountains today, where there's no trees or anything to like protect me from the wind. Yeah, I think that's about it. Yeah, staying at a campsite and paying for it. Well, I don't like paying for it, but having a shower and a sauna and being able to do my laundry here, it's awesome. Yeah, I'll see you. Okay, so today I overslept a couple of hours, but yeah, I'm in the mountain right now. Here's the new bindings, as you can see, with the skin. So this will probably be a lot easier. Okay, so I'm here in Borgafjäll, and I just got a ride from a random snowmobile driver. Really nice, friendly guy. Look at the view, it's unbelievable. We have lots of powder. The lifts aren't open here, I don't know why. But we could have more sun. That's the only thing I can complain about, more sun. It's not many days every year you get days like this. I believe it so, at least. I have no idea, actually. I'm gonna make it 100% enjoyable. I'm gonna put some music, so I'm just gonna grab my Bluetooth earbuds and listen to music while I walk up this. This should be real nice. Holy fuck, that's icy. Why? Woohoo! Okay, so this will have to do it for today. It's just the Borgafjäll top. I was planning. I want to go up to that peak. I guess it is called like the Red Mountain Peak or something. The village is there, and you have to walk all that way. So I definitely need to have the whole day, like wake up early as hell, or pretty early at least. Early for me, and just go for it. Yeah, this is a nice walk today. Let's see how we get down to the car. Really hard. It's icy as hell. Holy fuck. Hey, this wind beaten. Oh shit. Oh fuck. This is not why I'm here. I'm here for powder. What the fuck? Okay, I hope you're filming now. Let's go. Oh shit. What the fuck? Is there something wrong? I don't think so. Go! Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh, och så brantare. Need more steepness. Fuck. Well, if you want Canada, you gotta fucking search for it. I can tell you that. Kom igen nu, come on! I wish the mountain was steeper here. Whew. That sucks. It was so windy yesterday, so the only places where the powder stayed is here where it's flat, and all the forest protects the powder so it doesn't blow away. Ah, what a disappointment.